Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the tools into place and loading the file. Install pandas and openpyxl, then import them. Once done, read the workbook with PD, read Excel and specify sheet name. Make sure to preview df head to verify headers and data types because misread headers create subtle bugs later. If headers are missing, set header equals none and assign names. This first step gets you to a working data frame so you can query and transform reliably. Once the data frame is loaded, focus on extracting the subset you need. Filter rows with Boolean indexing to reduce noise, then select only the relevant columns and rename them for clarity. Make sure to convert types, use PD, to data time for dates and a stype for numeric conversion, because correct types enable accurate grouping and calculations. You can chain operations for clarity, but break them into named steps when debugging. This structured transformation prepares data for aggregation or export. To finish, write the cleaned extract to disk and validate the output. Use df to Excel with index equals false or to CSV for text export. Once written, reopen the file to confirm formatting. If you see missing values, run isna, sum, and then dropna or fillna thoughtfully because silent gaps distort summaries. A key troubleshooting tip: if you hit engine or encoding errors, make sure your chosen engine matches the file type and specify encoding explicitly. That solves most read/write failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.